Hey guys, welcome back to another Fashion Art Toronto makeup runway tutorial. This one for the designer, Silent Simon. And this show is on October 23rd, so we are looking forward to this Friday. And we're going to walk through a very simple streetwear inspired look. So for this show, I believe you will be wearing masks for the show. And we want to make sure that you just have clean skin. So I'm going to just do a very quick skin prep. And if you have any questions about how to prep your skin for the runway, please DM me on Instagram at BePrettyMUA and we'll break it down there fully for you. So the first step is to cleanse. I'm just going to use a micellar cleanser to quickly go over my face. The next step is to tone your skin, and this is going to help balance the skin and maybe hydrate it if you've got the right toner. From there, you want to make sure that you're moisturizing. So I'm going to use this guy, but there is a wonderful moisturizer just at Shoppers Drug Mart, CeraVe. It's a great, inexpensive line, and you can actually get a cleanse, toner, and moisturizer from there. That will suit your skin really nicely. Then to top it all off, you're going to want to lock it in with an oil. So I'm actually going to use a apricot rosehip essential oil that I made myself. You can go to the health food store and get anything like jojoba oil or grapeseed oil, or even just a little bit of your extra virgin olive oil. And I'm just going to take a couple of drops and then warm that into my skin. Okay, so we're going for a very clean eye look. So I'm just going to take a little bit of concealer and dab that under my eyes. From there, we're going to do a black eyeliner and mascara for all the girls. If you're a guy and you want to do that, absolutely go ahead. Otherwise, I just want you to comb out your eyebrows for the runway. We will do a graphic line eyeliner on location for you. So I'll do that at the end of this video, but for now I'm just going to do my eyeliner and mascara. If you have a lash curler, please use that to give your lashes a natural lift. And make sure you gently fill in and shape your brow, if you can. Okay, so the next steps are all going to be done on location. So you just need to get ready up to this point. So prep your skin, clean it up, do a little bit of concealer if you can, do a black lash line, mascara, and shape your brows. That's it, okay? Remember, you'll be wearing a mask to and while on set. So just cleanse and prepare your skin before the show. So I'm going to have on me 2 color pigments, and if you're dark skinned, we're going to be using the white, and if you're light skinned, we're going to be doing the black. So I'm going to show the white skin first because it'll be easier for me to remove and change, and I'm just going to quickly show you a couple of the eye looks that we're going to do on location. Okay, and then for the fair skinned, we're going to do some black lines. So I'll give you an idea of what some of that might look like. So those are just a couple of options. So I hope that makes sense, and I hope you're excited for October 23rd, and I look forward to seeing you then. Have fun, guys.